Hello. Right now I'm going to show you how to embed your Google Drive calendar into your Moodle page. If you need to learn how to create a Google Drive calendar, that is a separate video that should be under the Google Drive heading. Now, I'm already logged into my Google Drive. I'm also already logged into my Moodle page. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Calendar. If this is closed, you just click this little arrow to get to My Calendars. Usually your Google Drive automatically has a calendar already done for you. Again, if you need to know how to create new calendars, I'll show you that in a separate video. I'm going to come right here, click on Share This Calendar. Once you click that, make sure that this is checked. Make this calendar public. If you don't check this and you do all of the other steps, you won't be able to see your calendar. So make sure Make This Calendar Public is checked. Usually a pop-up box will come up and ask you something. Just say yes. Now I'm going to go to Calendar Details down here to embed this calendar. Click on Customize the color, size, and other options. Once you do that, you'll see the size of your calendar. Most of the time, this size calendar is a little bit too big for Moodle, so you can come over here to the width and height and play with the numbers until you get something that you like, whatever size you would like to put on your Moodle page. So I'm going to put this down to 500, that's the width, and the height I'm going to put down to 300. And I just click on a white space and it goes through. So for example, if I change this to 400, I would just click on a white space and it'll go to 400. I'm going to put that back up to 500. Every time I change it, this HTML code up here changes. But just to be safe, you can click Update HTML. What you'll do is come to the bottom, click, drag up so you can copy all of this information. Right click, copy. Now I'm going to go to my Moodle page at this point. I have a brand new topic, wherever you want the calendar. Click the little pencil. Click the last button, HTML. This box pops up. I'm going to come to the top of the box, right click, and click paste. Once I do that, click update. And you see that your calendar pastes. Save changes. Now if you come down and you don't see your calendar, all you have to do is you can log out and view your account as a guest just to see if your calendar has posted. I already went to a different browser and signed in as a guest to my account. So I'm going to refresh the page to see if my calendar is posted. It has. Now to me it's a little bit long. I don't want this bar right here. So what I'm going to do is go back to the calendar. The height was okay. I'm going to change the width to 400. Click on the white space. Click on update. What I'm going to do is copy this again. Go to my Moodle page. Click on that pencil. Click on HTML. This is all still in here. You can either highlight it and delete it, or you can just highlight it, right click and click paste. Update, save changes. I'm going to view it as a guest and refresh the page. And now this is a smaller calendar. I like the little small calendar. Of course you can do it any size you want to, but that is how you change the size. You would change the size in your Google calendar right here with the width and the height. And of course you can change the background color and all that type of things. You can just play around with it and see how you would like your calendar to look. Once you've done that, your calendar is embedded. Anything that you do to the calendar will automatically show up on your on your Moodle page, and that is how you embed it. Now again, if you need to know how to add anything to your Google Calendar, that's going to be on that separate video under Google Drive. Thank you so much.